We got some Eastern black walnuts. Don't look like walnuts.
Yeah, this is mid-October.
Mm-hmm.
And you can actually, I just pulled these off of a tree. They almost look like fruit. They have like a citrusy, almost,
Yeah, they really do.
I honestly had no idea what this was at first. We had to look it up. Don't mind the hands. I just gutted a groundhog. That'll be another video if YouTube even allows it. I'm sure foragers might not be into that. But anyways, we have a Eastern black walnut.
Very high.
Rip this baby open.
I just busted it up. I'll show you. We used one for like
You could really even, with your own hand, just starting to.
I just wanted to make sure it was a black walnut, so I already busted one open. But it's
like
it's
that
got like
inside.
this fruity outer, like shell to it, which is weird.
Very unique smell.
But you peel it off, and it's got like, what it kind of reminds me of, it's like a peach seed.
Yeah, that's why I didn't think it was a walnut at first.
Bring up the camera. Bring it closer. It almost looks like a peach seed.
It smells really good.
Yeah, you probably, I wouldn't lick your fingers since you got blood all over them.
Yeah.
But then you take a hatchet, and then, hold on, I'm gonna bring it down to my example I did earlier. And you bust it open. And as you can see, walnut. And I took a bite, it's delicious.
Yeah, so something to look for out in the woods. If you see, the whole tree's just, at this point, there's a bunch on the ground, mid-October. These are edible, high in fiber, what'd you say, iron, vitamin
A, and antioxidants.
Yeah, so if you're out in the woods, camping out for a couple of days like we usually do, we try to do these primitive camping trips where we try to live off the land as much as we can. This is basically, I'm just like turning into a rainbow here. Something that, now we know it's over there. We have, chokeberries and barberries, and now we have Eastern walnuts and wild blueberries, or not wild blueberries, black raspberries.
Squirrels love these too, so this is a good area to even squirrel hunt.
Yeah, so the more you know.